Hello, I'm Chef Jason, and welcome to the Great Australian Bite, where we share all things culinary, including history, stories, and recipes. So please don't forget to subscribe and join in on the adventure.
All right, let's have a look here. Welcome to day 13 of our sourdough starter. Ooh, hello. Now we're cooking. This is as good as it gets. So, you see, we have had an overflow. Now this is just about ready now. Let me see if I can get this off. I'm hoping it's not too stuck. There we go. Oh, it's all the way over. Oh wow, look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, that is a sourdough starter. So that is absolutely, I'd say that's ready right now. So I'm going to give this one more feeding today. And then tomorrow we're going to start looking at what we are going to do with this. In fact, I think what we might start doing is we might do a traditional sourdough, just to show you just the basics of what a sourdough loaf actually is. So, there we go. So, I'm going to give one more feeding today. So even with the air that I've given it now and the gas being released right now, it's dropping a little bit. So I'm going to give it one more feeding today. Tomorrow then, we are going to start making up our dough for our sourdough. And then we can then store it in the fridge, and then we'll go on and we'll feed it once a week. It honestly depends how many times you bake, as to how often you feed it, and actually how you store it too. Some people who bake a lot during the week, you don't really even have to store it in the refrigerator. You can keep it out and keep it fed every 2 or 3 days. But right now, for where we're at, we're going to give it one more feeding, and then tomorrow we're going to start using it to make our sourdough. So, till then, I shall see you tomorrow, and we'll look at getting started with that. So, see you tomorrow for day 14, or should it be day 1 of our sourdough bake.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and feel free to leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to check out our other content as well. This is Chef Jason, and don't forget, love is the secret ingredient.